Hello everyone, today I would like to introduce to you a classic Japanese dish, vinegar-pickled mackerel, which is called in Japanese. This dish not only retains the deliciousness of the mackerel, but also uses a unique marinating method to make the fish more tender and juicy, with a refreshing sour and salty flavor. Whether served as sashimi or sushi, it's an irresistible dish. Next, we will teach you step by step how to make this unique delicacy at home. Let's take a look. Let's deal with the fish first. Today I used Sanmai Oroshi's method to divide the fish into 3 pieces. Sanmai Oroshi is the most basic way to treat fish in Japan. Let's get started. Scrape off the fish scales first, although there are not many scales left. It was like this when I bought it. Obviously I didn't do anything to it. Take off the head first. Then take out the internal organs. Cut open the stomach and clean the blood inside. It is easier to clean with a small brush if you have one at home. If not, don't worry, the earth will continue to rotate as usual. Use whatever you have at home, baseball bats, toilet seats, refrigerators, whatever comes to mind, anything. I used a spoon today because I couldn't move it in the refrigerator. Cut the fish into 3 pieces. First make a cut, then separate the knife along the bone. Nice job, that sounds great. Turn the back over. The method is the same, but also make an opening first. Can you see the meat inside? Yes, it can. The visible parts can help us understand where we are now. Adjust the best posture and cut off the bones connecting the abdomen and back. This is to cut off one of the 3 pieces. Very beautiful. The remaining half is handled in the same way. This is using Sanmai Oroshi to divide the fish into 3 pieces. Next, we will do the dehydration process. We also did this dehydration process in our previous video. Dehydration is very important. Not only can it remove the fishy smell, but it can also make the fish meat firmer and taste better. The reason why I like Japanese food is not only the careful handling of the ingredients and the artistic presentation of the dishes. Also, oil is rarely used in cooking Japanese food, and few people become obese eating Japanese food. You can sprinkle more salt on the skinless side. Almost like this. Leave it for 30 minutes, and use the osmotic pressure generated by the difference in salt concentration to extract excess water from the fish. Rinse away the salt and extracted water from the surface. Beautiful gloss. The excess water is extracted and the meat becomes firmer. The process of dehydration plays an important role in life. Not only can it be used for processing fish, but it is also often used when pickling vegetables. Put it in a sealed bag and soak it in vinegar for an hour in the refrigerator. This is the fish meat after soaking for an hour. Just put it in the refrigerator like this and it will be delicious after 2 days. I'll use half of this today to shoot videos. Cut off the front part. This part is retained to prevent the cross-section from being oxidized. Next, we will remove the remaining bones in the abdomen. I won't make sushi today, I'll just cut some into sashimi. Pull out the bones from the fish. There is still a small bone left in this place, which is often ignored. When pulling it out, you should hold the fish with your hands, otherwise the fish will be torn into pieces. Look, so many bones were pulled out. Finally, check to see if there are any bones left. Finally, let's tear off the fish skin. Because it has been soaked in vinegar, the skin attached to the fish is easier to pull off. This is another fun process. Pull it back slowly. If it's too fast, the meat will be pulled off too, so we'd better be gentle. This process is my favorite, and I'm sure you don't hate it either. Look, this is so much fun. Okay, the whole skin came off intact. It's perfect. Cut it off for sashimi. Change the cutting method. Go for a citrus boost of flavor and acidity, especially its fruity fragrance. I can't resist its fragrance. I've been addicted to this fruit recently. I'll try adding a little bit of Japanese umeboshi today. Of course, you can also add some mustard and other things. You can try adding your favorites according to your own preferences. I heard someone say that someone added an elephant. Add 2 more drops of citrus. The exciting moment is here. Let's take a look at this delicious fish. Let's start with the one with only citrus added. With a light sour and salty taste, the oil of the fish is retained and the taste is rich. It has a refreshing taste, combining the sourness of vinegar while maintaining the natural flavor of mackerel. I want to try it with a little soy sauce to see if it tastes good. Drizzle 2 drops of soy sauce on this piece of fish with umeboshi on it. Great to enjoy with soy sauce and umeboshi. I recommend everyone to try this way of eating. Although everyone's taste is different, it's worth a try. This video ends here. If you like my video, you can subscribe to my channel. See you next time.